Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this quick video tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to comment on an Instagram story. Before we dive in, I recommend updating your Instagram app to the latest version from the App Store or Play Store to ensure you have the newest features. Launch Instagram on your mobile device. At the top of your feed, you'll see a row of circular profile pictures. These represent the stories from people you follow. Tap on the profile picture of the person whose story you want to comment on. While viewing the story, look for the comment icon at the bottom left of the screen. Sometimes you might see an Add a Comment box instead. Please note that not all stories have the comment feature enabled. If you don't see the comment option, it could be that the feature is disabled by the story creator or not available for your account. If the comment option is available, tap on it. You can then type your comment using text or emojis. Once you've typed your message, hit the send icon next to the text box. Your comment will now be added to the story and will be visible to anyone who views it. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.